Are you curious about AI but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. My name is Miriam from myaiperks.com, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 free AI tools to get started with. First up, ChatGPT. If you've ever wished for a personal assistant that can help you with writing, brainstorming, or even just answering random questions, ChatGPT is your go-to tool. It's a conversational AI that's super easy to use. Just type in your question or task and it responds instantly. It's great for beginners because it doesn't require any technical knowledge. Here are some prompt examples you can get started with. Fact check this statement for me. Give me a quick summary on the latest trends in digital marketing. Help me draft a professional email to a client asking for feedback on our media project. Next on the list is Grammarly. Whether you're writing emails, reports, or social media posts, Grammarly's AI helps you polish your writing by checking grammar, punctuation, and style. It's particularly useful for non-native English speakers, just like me, who want to improve their writing. Grammarly's free version includes basic spelling, grammar, and punctuation checks, as well as tone detection and conciseness suggestions. However, features like advanced writing style improvements, vocabulary enhancement, plagiarism detection, and genre-specific writing checks require an upgrade to the premium version. The third tool I want to talk about in this video is Canva, a design tool that's perfect for creating everything from social media posts to presentations. I use Canva for my Instagram posts, my YouTube thumbnails, but also my free starter kit PDFs on my website. What sets Canva apart is its AI-powered features, suggesting layouts, color schemes, and even generate content ideas, making it super easy for beginners to create professional-looking designs without any prior experience. You can also automatically change document specs like size, for example, making an Instagram post into an Instagram story within seconds. It's a must-have for anyone looking to up their visual content game, and their free plan includes a lot of cool templates and features. Whether you're looking to improve your writing or design stunning visuals, these 3 tools got you covered. And the best part is they're perfect for beginners. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any more AI tips and tricks. And if you've ever tried any of these tools, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear how you like them. Do you need more awesome AI tools? Check out this video made around ChatGPT and email management. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys soon.